Cambridge explain a video. Once you have accessed the times table screen, you simply click one of the numbers in order to take you to that times table. Let's try 2. Having clicked 2, we can click the sound on or off. I'm going to click it off for the purposes of the video, but should you want to know which song is playing, simply click the Spotify symbol in the top left. We can choose bronze, silver, gold, or ant. Bronze is the easiest, ant is the hardest. Ant gives you approximately 2 seconds thinking time between each question. Gold is approximately 5, silver is approximately 8, and bronze is approximately 11. Let's have a go at bronze. Once again, there's some music. I'm just going to turn that off. Now, as you can see here, the menu gives you the option. Either go 2 to 24, 24 to 2, or random 2s. You need to complete each one of these missions in order to unlock your deter code. Your deter code is entered down here and gives you access to the certificate that you get for completing this level. When you're setting this as a challenge to children, you should tell them that their challenge is to achieve the certificate. They can then try as many times as they like on any one of these 3 levels, but they will need to complete each one to get their numbers which form their code. I'm just going to show you one of these, 2 to 24. So, as always, click the sound on or off. Sound makes it more fun, but for some children it may distract them, so this is really a personal choice. Let's turn it off for now. Now, as you can see, we have this little message, which is telling us a little bit of a story, which is that we crossed the bridge to catch the spaceship to Mars. Now we're going to count in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Now, as I did then, encourage the children to say the numbers out loud. Remember, this is helping them to process what the shapes look like and what numbers they make. So encourage them to speak whilst they do the exercise. Up here, we have the number 6. This is the number from this mission. So make a note of that, and remember you're going to need a number from each mission to unlock the deter code. Click Numberella to move forward. If you were listening to the music, this is the band who was playing. And there's a little advert here for Numberella Deluxe. If you haven't got a copy, you should get one now. It's a critical tool for helping accelerate the arithmetic of young math students. We go on to the main menu again, and we can choose next, which continues the next episode of the bronze missions. We can level up if that was too easy. We can go to the silver missions, or we can go back to bronze base, and of course we can click retry if we want to try that one again. You can try as many times as you like. If we go to bronze base, which is what I'm going to do here, then we can put our deter code in on this button here. Now, if you've done all of the missions, you will have 3 numbers. Now, the numbers are, for the first mission it was 6, for the second mission it was 3, and I'm not going to tell you what the final one is, just in case. But once we've entered those numbers, we click that. We click to claim our code, to claim our certificate, and here we put in our details. We put in which school we're at. We click email, and then we get the certificate. There it is. So click that certificate and you can do what you like with it, really. If you right click on your mouse, you can copy the image or save the image as, and then you can save it wherever you like. Onto the desktop is fine, and then from there you can print it or put it in a file. But above all, you give it to your child as a symbol of what they've achieved, which is very important to reward people's efforts. Now you can see on here there is a deter code, KAIB, K-A-I-B. That means 2 in a language. And you can also see that you get 10% off any order from the Numberella store with this code. So simply go to the website, find the Numberella store, enter that code, and you will get 10% off whatever you buy. And that's about it. That is Candy Cambridge. We go back here and we can try again.